order, members.
We have the rules of the House.
Honorable member, this is not a perfect wedding. On what rule are you rising? On what rule?
Honorable Josie, take your seat. Honorable members of the EFF, honorable member, take your seat.
Honorable
Please
Speaker.
proceed.
Honorable Speaker.
The Independent Electoral Commission (IEC) has dismissed an application to register a new political party spearheaded by former African National Congress ANC Member of Parliament Jacob Boy Mamabulo. The proposed party, controversially named Mandela for President, failed to meet several crucial legal and procedural requirements. In a statement released on Monday, the IEC cited numerous violations, including the party's failure to submit the minimum number of valid supporting signatures and falling short of the necessary threshold of registered voters required for registration. Adding to the rejection, the Commission flagged the party's name and branding, green and black colors closely associated with the ANC, as potentially misleading to voters, and stated there is a risk that the party's name may create the false impression for an endorsement or connection with the late President Nelson Mandela. Further irregularities were uncovered in the party's constitutional documentation, while the documents list the founding convener as Mandela Jacob Boy Mamabulo. IEC records only recognize him as Jacob Boy Mamabulo. The discrepancy raised suspicions of potential mispresentation during the registration process. This suggests that a material aspect in the registration of the party may have been misrepresented, concluding that the party remains unregistered and ineligible to contest any upcoming elections. Mamabulo, however, finds himself in deeper legal trouble beyond electoral processes. Earlier this month, the High Court in Polokwane ordered Facebook to shut down Mamabulo's account and prohibited him from making any defamatory statements against Polokwane Mayor John Mphe and his family. The ruling followed accusations by Mamabulo that Mphe and the ANC Limpopo Provincial Secretary Vamosanda Motsatse tampered with the parliamentary candidate list, a move Mamabulo claims cost him his nomination. Evidence presented in court included WhatsApp messages allegedly sent by Mamabulo in which he threatened to hire a hitman to kill Mphe and Motsatse. In one message, Mamabulo reportedly wrote, "I do not forgive those who steal food from my table." Mamabulo maintains that he had received widespread support from the ANC branches and insists he was unjustly excluded from the party's provincial to national list. He has since launched legal action against the African National Congress, with the matter scheduled to be heard in the South Gauteng High Court on September 1, 2025. People have also reacted to Mamabulo's new party, with many on social media mocking the move and turning him into a subject of ridicule. One said, "Just when I thought my homeboy couldn't come up with more stunts, then boom, new political party called Mandela for president. Shame, I respect his hustle though. Another one stated, "I understand naming a party Mandela for president to attract voters, but was it necessary for Perfect Wedding to call himself Mandela Jacob Boy Mamabulo?" Another one said, "I don't like what IEC is doing to Boy Mamabulo. A man must eat. Let Mandela for president contest the elections." Another one stated, "Calling your political party Mandela for president can only mean that you have assessed South Africans and came to a conclusion that we are beyond gullible." Another one stated, "Zimbabwe Electoral Commission can learn something from South Africa. South Africans are laughing at this Mandela for President saga. What truly struck me is the seriousness and diligence of the Independent Electoral Commission. The rejection wasn't just about signatures, it was about misleading names, confusing colors, and inconsistencies in leadership documentation. In Zimbabwe, we have normalized political confusion because ZEC doesn't scrutinize parties before they participate. No constitution checks, no legal registration, no examination of leadership legitimacy, just a notice of existence. Imagine how much clearer our democracy could be if MDC, for example, had been properly vetted at inception. South Africa's IEC has just shown us that democracy doesn't begin at the ballot box, it begins at the registration desk. Zimbabwe has so much to learn. Illegitimacy and anarchy will forever stay with those who don't equip their institutions. Another one stated, whoever advised Boy Mamabulo won't see heaven. Imagine a party name called Mandela for President in 2025. Another one stated, good news to start the week. Imagine voting for Mandela for President in 2029. Someone also said, Boy Mamabulo is a certified political clown. How do you name a party Mandela for president? Like Madiba is coming back to campaign in 2026. Now look, IEC said, denied, rejected, blocked. This country is a sitcom. Someone also stated, the fact that Boy Mamabulo thought using Mandela's name and ANC colors will get him into parliament or union buildings says a lot, mostly about how low some politicians rate the intelligence of South African electorate. Another one said, Boy Mamabulo has adopted a dual membership. He will contest elections from his political party while he's still a member of the ANC. Someone also said, Nazo, breaking news. The pockets are running dry as Boy Mamabulo is planning to launch his new political stokvel called Mandela for President Political Party. Boy chose this name so that he can dribble Abogogo during elections. Imagine voting for Boy. Someone also said Mandela for President is another comedy playing in our South African political theatre with stand-up comedian Boy Mamabulo. What have we done in South Africa to deserve such? IEC will soon be a theatre.
Order, members.
We have the rules of the House.
Honorable member, this is not a perfect wedding. On what rule are you rising? On what rule?
Honorable Ndlozi, take your seat. Honorable members of the EFF, honorable member, take your seat.
Honorable
Please
Speaker.
proceed.
Honorable Speaker.
What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.